So over here, you can see that I have a missing file right here in my project. That is because I may have renamed the original file or moved the original file or deleted the original file. So in that case, what you can do is you can simply click on Update Media and select the file that you wish to actually keep here. So it should be the one that is actually the same as this one. So once you press open, what happens is that now you can see that the media has been updated just like that. So now that's it. That's how you can update out the media. You can also update media for logos like this. So let's just update the media right here. I cannot select, let's say, for example, a video instead of a photo. So it should be in a similar format. So video for video, photo for photo. So if I were to go over here into update media and go over here, this is the transparent one, this is the non-transparent one. So I'm just going to bring in the JPEG version of the image and press open, and you can see that it has been replaced. So it kind of like acts like a placeholder, and when you update the media file, then it just gets replaced just like that. And that is how you update media inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.